it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the chaos. Today we're going to be opening up our Sephora Play for May 2019. This box is $10 a month, and then you get 5 deluxe samples, sometimes very, very rarely full-sized. Makeup, skincare, hair care, that kind of thing. And then you also earn 50 Beauty Insider points to add to your Sephora account. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty-free at the time of filming, I put that in the description box down below, as well as breaking down the value of the box to see whether we're getting a good deal or not. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and open her up. So when you open it up, as always, it has this little fold-out pamphlet on top. It has everything we're getting in here. Not gonna peek too much at that. And then the products themselves come in this little bag that is reusable. You can seal it, all that stuff if you want. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing right on top is the Coco Cabana cream from Sol de Janeiro. This is like the tiniest sample that I've ever seen. I own a size bigger than this, but not like the big tub. That one was sealed, so I went ahead and grabbed mine, just so I didn't have to open it. So this is what it looks like. I know it's just lotion, what do you know? But it has like, if you've ever tried their Bum Bum cream, that cream is very, very thick. This is a little bit more lotiony. So this is lotiony. I've heard some people say it's a little bit sticky. It does have a coconut smell, but it also weirdly at the same time smells like buttered popcorn. I don't know how that's possible, how it can smell like two things. But it does. So I will say I have used this. I find it a little bit stickier than the Bum Bum cream. Like you can definitely feel that, but I still do enjoy it. I just prefer the original Bum Bum cream. But yeah, not mad to get that. I definitely will use this. I mean, this is so cute. Like I thought this size was small. Look how tiny this is. Like this is one I could keep in my purse for sure. So yeah, not mad to get that. Let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is actually the Perfume sample. So this is from Viktor&Rolf. Never heard of that. This is Viktor&Rolf Magic, and I guess the scent is salty flower. I don't know. A lot of times I find perfumes are not cruelty-free, so I normally just give them away, but I can still smell this and see. I have to know what a salty flower is gonna smell like, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. So it's very like a floral, musky sort of scent. Not my scent. I would never purchase this personally. I just am not huge into floral scents. It's not terrible, but if you like floral, you'll probably really, really like it. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out, this is from Benefit. This is the BADgal Bang Bigger, Badder Volumizing Mascara. And I assume it's black. It doesn't have a color name on here. But Benefit is not cruelty-free, so I am not going to be using this. I'm just going to give it to a friend, somebody else who can get some enjoyment out of it. So the next thing I'm pulling out is cruelty-free. This is from It Cosmetics. This is the what is this? Bye Under Eye Cream. I actually have this. I just ran out. Well, I'm like almost out. Maybe I have a different one. Mine looks a little bit different than this. I have one that's like in a yellow container. But see how this looks like? Oh, I can get a couple of uses out of this because eye cream you use very little. But the bottom is fake. So I don't know why they do that. Let's go ahead and open her up though. So yeah, this is definitely different than the one I have. I mean, I don't know why I'm showing you that. It's just lotion. It feels moisturizing, but I definitely will try this since I just ran out. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Alterna, which I believe is cruelty-free. This is the Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protection Spray. Strengthens and protects damaged hair up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna go ahead and smell it. Smells pretty nice. I don't mind the smell. I do use heat protectant every time I flat iron my hair or curl it, anything like that. So I definitely will use this. I like that. I mean, it's a decent sized sample. It takes me forever to go through these things. So I'm not mad about that. I definitely will give this a try. Okay, one more thing. This is like the tiniest little, look at this little lipstick. So this is from Smashbox. This is the Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. Oh my god, this is so tiny. Oh, I do like that. It's got like the little triangular doe foot applicator, which I like. I'll go ahead and give it a swatch. I have like a, oh, this is more brown than I thought it was going to be. So there it is. It's like a brown, it's just brown to me. Maybe brown with a little bit of like a pink undertone. Probably not a color I would wear, especially during the summer. This is like a very fall color to me. But I like the little, why do like little tiny samples? Like this is so cute. It's like baby sized. Smashbox is cruelty free. They weren't for a while, but I believe they stopped selling in China, so now they are. But there's that. Let me look up the perfume real quick. I want to see if that's cruelty free. Okay, so I looked it up real quick. So yes, the perfume is not cruelty free, and the Benefit mascara is not cruelty free, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4 things in a Sephora play box that are cruelty free, which is a win for me because this is like the box I have the worst luck with being cruelty free. So I'm not mad. I'm actually really happy. Everything I got, like I will use. I mean, minus the non-cruelty free items. So yeah, I would love to know what you thought of my box and also what you got in your box. I always like hearing like the different things that everybody gets in their boxes because this is, you know, this is the box that has so many different variations of what you could get. So it's fun to see what other people got. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more dogs behaving well, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.